Hello teacher, my name is ธนากร ใจอ่อน Summary which position a Paul woodcutter dropped his egg into a river. He was very sad. Suddenly a fish appeared and offered him a golden egg. The woodcutter hated it. Wasn't his. Then the spirit showed him a silver egg, but he said no again. Finally, the spirit gave him his real egg. Because he was honest, the spirit gave him all three: access, moral, honesty is a way rewarded. Thank you.